Stenhouse here.
1 lap away from his first NASCAR Nationwide Series win. Can he come back around in front?
I think he's got him.
After almost losing his ride, being sat down just over a year ago, the promise fulfilled today in Iowa, and the first Nationwide Series driver to win a race since March of 2010, Mississippi's Ricky Stenhouse Jr. is a winner.
Start here this afternoon. Here is the Motor Racing Network's Joe Moore.
Stacked up side by side, coming from the middle of the triangle. Green flag already in the air here. Jr. may pace the outside line. It's Ricky Stenhouse Jr. And Stenhouse, Keselowski, you got Harvick, you got Bain, all of them running down low and trying to distance themselves from Jr.
And it's the inside lane with the advantage. First time up into turn 3. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. drafting help from Keselowski, Harvick, and Bain, while Dale Earnhardt Jr. leads the outside lane. He's in fourth with help from Eric Jones.
Going to come now, racing off turn number 4, back through the tri-oval. The pole sitter was Ricky Stenhouse Jr., and he will lead lap number 1. The battle, though, will be behind him. Dale Earnhardt
Jr. riding the wide line right now. He is full even with Ricky Stenhouse.
There on the top of the track, the green car is a lap car. He squeezes in between, tries to squeeze in between the lap car and not making the pass. He got hit by the 17 when he was trying to squeeze in between Keselowski and the 23 car of Gray Gaulding.
Gray Gaulding, the youngest driver in the field at age 19, and talking about the 17 car. And Ricky Stenhouse Jr., the pole sitter, who led his first laps of the season earlier today.
Watch Blaney change lanes up ahead. He got clipped by Keselowski. They made contact and then into the outside wall. So the hole closed up on him because of that slow car. Gaulding had just left pit road, and watch the 17. Just the same time as the 2 cut up the track, the 17 into the back of Blaney. It was just a chain reaction event there, Chris.
So our 5th caution now, and multiple cars involved, and that's something we really hadn't seen, although it's always on the mind of the driver here, and they've all talked about it.
Yeah, in Daytona one time and slid on my roof just like that, sparks flying, and I was just hoping at the last second it was going to roll back over so I could get out. But he just didn't do that. He was stuck upside down. Not a comforting feeling. That oil tank is right behind you. It's very possible for oil to start leaking out. You want to get out of there as fast as you can.
Looks like there were only about a dozen cars who had a chance to evade to the inside and not get any damage in this.
I'm watching that green 2 car. I don't know if he's just kind of following us through here. Not sure if he got any damage or not.
Yeah, I think I saw him stop a little bit too soon, as if he made contact right there.
Yep.
And he was getting pushed by Keselowski.
I think Junior made a great move, and I mean not just missing the 31 car, but I think if he'd have stayed up where he was, he may have gotten wrecked. That's a hard left side.
From the 1 of McMurray, and here comes Johnson.
Here they come. There comes Casey Kane.
Well, Stenhouse did a great job to block that run that was coming. Yeah, he's going to get to the inside right here. Great move by Ricky Stenhouse. Will he clear up? I think he will.
Come on, get out there.
Not yet.
Past the overtime line, we have a race.
Oh, we have a drag race.
I tell you, I thought Stenhouse could have made a move up right there, but you can see he's pretty well. He's got some speed for he and the 18 are pretty equal.
Fastest car here carries Busch up the race. White flag trying to end a 101 race winless streak for car owner Jack Roush is Ricky Stenhouse. Look at this, 4 wide. Everybody wants to get to the front.
I just don't see how that's going to work out.
Now what's Stenhouse do? Can he block? Can he block all of them coming at once?
5 wide.
Work it, dude, work it.
last lap. Bang, that was Busch into McMurray. Stenhouse gets away a little bit. Mississippi, top to bottom. Kyle Busch to the outside, gets blocked by Stenhouse. Here they come. Stenhouse wins it! For the 24th time, a last lap pass at Talladega for the win. And McMurray second by inches.
Ricky Stenhouse Jr. A little bit of damage on the front of that car. Running early in the race, and 17 did a lot of work up that car, working just right, and he will go to victory lane.
I need a record, so it doesn't mess
Ricky Stenhouse Jr. scoring the victory in his 150th start, and this crowd here at the Talladega Superspeedway is celebrating with him. Rusty Wallace, it's always good to get your first, and he got his first right here at Talladega.
Man, we're all so proud of him. It's unreal. Just a great run of Ricky Stenhouse. He didn't look into nothing. A fast car.
What a celebration as Ricky Stenhouse Jr. climbs out in victory lane for the first time. Jack Roush greeted him at the door. His girlfriend and fellow competitor Danica Patrick, the second to greet him. Ricky, two-time Xfinity Series champion. Your first start in this series was in 2011. It's been a long road to get here. What has been the biggest